The new Project 65. My latest project, 1965 Chevrolet C10. Looks like it used to be an old city truck of some sort, probably to do with the fire department. It looks like it used to be originally a red truck. It was like, well, it would have been a siren on the top of this, because it looks to me like when you get this wet, it says call 911. I don't know. This used to be some kind of fire truck or something. I can't exactly figure out what's going on. Just knocked off a bunch of paint. It's great. It was like some kind of fire stuff on there, and like some elapsed time. This interior is actually pretty cool. I really dig it. It's pretty clean. This is from probably a Chevy. I kind of like that it has cup holders in it, and it looks like a stick shift, but it is automatic. Got pretty good floor pans in it, and a really good dash. Love the big back window. Big window, Chevy C10. Two-bar. It's a two-bar carb. I haven't got it all worked out. It runs, but it's popping, and I'm not exactly sure how to adjust the idle air on there, but I have to do more research on it. Missing a grill. They got these Lowrider Supremes on it, but they only put 2 bolts in there, because I found out that these take a special lug nut, so those are on order. This isn't really my style, but I'm just gonna run what I got until I get it inspected. I just got it up on stands just for security. It sets much lower than this actually, but it should be a fun little project. Hopefully I can get it back on the road, and I'll keep you posted. So the 65. I love my optimism that I was going to take it on a road trip. That's my homemade air conditioner. It feels like an old like airplane in here. Update on the 65. Got a roll pan. Just picked that up today. We don't call 911. And I got a front bumper mocked up. Looking pretty sick. Can't believe it's the same truck. Got the seats mounted in it. So they're actually legit in there. The cool thing is these actually slide. That's actually a yoga mat. Don't judge me. I finally got it got a registration for the car show, and I hadn't been working on it because that was the car show I wanted it to be in. And so now that it is, it's always rough and it looks good from a long ways away, but it's got a lot of little blemishes and stuff on it that I'm not proud of. And so I'd like to try to get it as clean as possible. The engine is the nicest part on it. Sweet. But the rest of the truck just kind of looks cool from about 20 foot. But I'm going to try to make it look good from about 10 foot. So I'll just try to show some of the blemishes on it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove this fender, but just actually try to get it cleaned up. So it begins. All right, quick update on C10. I removed this fender. I've got it kind of cleaned up underneath here. I'm probably gonna paint that black. It just turned into more of a project than I wanted. But all in here, it's a different color, so I do think I'm going to go ahead and prime that, because I have not done nothing to the body. So it's also red. And working on like a tonneau cover, which actually doesn't fit, but I'm gonna just try to make it work. That's kind of what hot rodding is just make it work. I have a little car show tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to put it all back together and at least do the clip and then put it in a little car show. I have a big car show coming up on the 21st, and so hopefully that's the kind of the goal, is to have it done by then. Get a C10, they say. It'll be fun. All right, so yeah, what started off as just kind of cleaning this up for a little car show tomorrow ended up turning into a big project. I had taken on the mantra of roadkill, and that was just good at going. So I've done really nothing with the body except add a tailgate and a grill.